BYD announced its new entry-level electric hatchback, the Seagull, during the 2023 Shanghai Auto Show. BYD Seagull became part of the BYD Ocean series and is built on the BYD 3.0 electric platform. The price is between $11,400 and $13,900 in China. Pre-orders are already being accepted. The overall dimensions of the Seagull are length 3780 mm with 1715 mm, height 1540 mm with a wheelbase of 2500 mm. Buyers will be offered two versions, the first, with a 55 kilowatts, 75 horsepower, electric motor, a 30 kWh sodium-ion battery and a range of 305 km. The second with a 75 kilowatts, 102 horsepower, electric motor, a 38 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery and a range of 405 km. This is the first car with a sodium-ion battery on the market. Both battery options support DC fast charging, allowing you to charge your Seagull up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Seagull is equipped with a 5-inch instrument panel and a 12.8-inch infotainment system. The steering wheel has a cut-off bottom, the cabin has wireless charging and two cup holders.